Watch this heartwarming footage. Rescuers and locals are pushing a stranded whale back into the sea during high tide. The first stranded on the beach was a young female humpback whale measuring 32 feet long and weighing around 8 tons. The second whale was discovered overnight and was in a healthy condition. The foundation stated that the second whale, which is a male of the same species, was 28 feet long and roughly 7 tons, which surfaced Monday night. Local people, civil defense personnel, Coast Guard officers, firefighters, volunteers, and beach lifeguards were among those who participated. Initially, when people attempted to jointly drive the whale back out to sea, they had little success. That's when the heavy equipment arrived. Assuring the individual's position allowed it to breathe, keeping its flippers underwater to balance its body temperature as much as possible. The intensity of the waves toppled the whale over at one point, submerging its blowhole and forcing it unable to breathe. Rescuers placed cables beneath the whale's body, which were connected to a massive backhoe tractor crane, in the hopes of freeing it from the sand. The whales were able to return to the sea as a result of people's combined efforts. It's a question that's baffled marine biologists for years and is still puzzling them. Whale strandings have occurred in large numbers throughout documented history. Strandings all over the world are absolute mysteries. There are many different factors that can cause stranding. Often it's a simple misadventure where one or two or a few animals get themselves into trouble and the rest of the group might follow them in. How are they rescued? Stranded whales must be refloated from beaches and sandbanks, which is a time-consuming, challenging, and frequently dangerous job. At high tide, several people are required per whale to attempt to drive them back into deeper water. Harness and stretchers are frequently used to secure a whale to a boat so that it can be carried out to sea. 1,000 whales stranded on the Chatham Island, a New Zealand territory in the Pacific Ocean. This was the largest mass stranding in modern recorded history. In 2018, over 150 short-finned pilot whales were stranded off Australia's western coast, making it the country's most recent major stranding. In 1996, 320 long-finned pilot whales are stranded off Australia's western coast, making it the world's greatest beaching.